Welcome to Living Clean in the Country. Today we are going to prepare for Taco Tuesday using our Instant Pot. To our Instant Pot, I'm going to add 3 large frozen chicken breasts. It weighs about 2 pounds. On top of that, I'm going to add this packet of taco seasoning, spreading it around as much as possible. Next, I'm going to pour in 1 cup of water, and then I'm going to throw on the lid with the seal on it, and I'm going to turn the lid to closed, not venting. And then I'm going to set my Instant Pot to poultry for 40 minutes since they are frozen. Now that they're done, I'm going to hit cancel to turn it off, and I am going to do a quick release on it. I am going to remove the lid now that all the pressure has been released, and then I'm going to use a fork and remove each of the chicken breasts and place it on a cutting board. While those cool, I'm going to go back to my Instant Pot and I'm going to give it a nice good stir to move around any of the particles that might be stuck to the walls or down to the bottom. And I'm going to add in 2 cups of long grain rice. A cup of frozen corn and a cup of frozen peas. And then again, give it a nice good stir to incorporate everything all together. Make sure there's no lumps anywhere. And then I'm going to put the lid back on, put it back to sealed, and I'm going to cook it on rice for 12 minutes, and then I'm going to let it slow release. While we're waiting for our rice to cook, we're going to go back over to our chicken and we're going to shred it up nicely. Now that the chicken is all shredded, we're ready to assemble. Instead of doing regular tacos, I'm going to take you through 2 options that I love to do. First, we're going to make a salad out of this. So we're going to add our greens, top it with some brock slaw, top it with the chicken, some salsa, and instead of sour cream, I usually use plain yogurt. And for a little crunch, tortilla strips. The other option is to use your rice as the bed, then add the chicken, the salsa, and the plain yogurt. You can always top both with cheese because cheese is delicious. Mix up the toppings however you like. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.